This fire alarm sign made him call 911 and save the building.
It is by code required that there are fire signs, whether to say what this is operating for, why it's here, what to do. For example, you can see that these letters are starting to peel off this sign. Right now, we're gonna pass it because that's fine. Anyone can read it, you can make out what it means. But let's say whatever reason, in the next year, 2 years, some storm has happened and all those letters fall off, then that sign needs to be replaced. Because then that sign is effectively useless and maybe even hurtful because people will see this. If for whatever reason the building's relying on someone passing by to call 911, now no one's gonna call 911 because there's no sign there that says it.